turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I...
Good morning. So we just had our morning boat ride back to the mainland really early, really windy as well, so I've got cool hair now. And next we're going to board a bus and go to Sepilok Orangutan Sanctuary, where apparently we get to watch the orangutans feed and watch a documentary about them, which should be cool, quite interesting. And here she is.
Hi.
Hi. Got anything to add?
You talking about me?
No.
Oh, good.
Okay, so we've just got to Sepilok, kind of vlogging using my phone because you have to pay to take cameras in. So we're taking the big cameras in, but not the little vlogging camera, whereas phones are free apparently, even though they have cameras on. Go figure. Anyway, so we're going to watch a video which lasts about half an hour, I think, just a brief history of Sepilok, and then we're going to go in and have a walk around and see them feed and try and get some decent videos and photographs of them as well. So looking forward to this. Love orangutans. We just saw the little babies playing, cute orphans, orangutans. They're really cute and playful. And now we're just walking down some more of the canopy towards the feeding platform, where I think we get to see the adults feeding. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's nice being in the jungle again, even though we're on a wooden walkway. It still feels really, really cool. Dense trees, humid, beautiful smells, bird sounds. It's actually perfect.
We've just come out of the orangutan sanctuary bit where you walk around and you go to the feeding area and you go to the like baby junior bit where they can play around, and it was cool. The baby bit was a bit more like a zoo, and it was just kind of a glass wall and taking pictures for it. They looked like they were having fun and they were eating and playing with each other and chasing each other around and swinging about. And then we went to the feeding part, and there was just a mother and a baby. Really cool to see it still, but so many people just taking pictures. But it was just cute watching the baby and like taking the bananas and hanging off his mum's shoulder and things like that. Really nice.
So now we've finished the Sepilok, we're going to get in the bus, which is about a 2-hour bus ride I think, and we're going to head right down to our resort in the jungle called the Myne Resort. It's about a 2-hour bus ride away, so we'll probably have a great nap on the way, to be honest. Quite tired. And then we're there for a couple of nights in the jungle, and we get through some safaris and hopefully see some actual wild animals, which would be amazing. We have checked into the Myne Resort, which is our lodge for the next 2 nights. It's really, really nice. It's like lots of wooden chalets on stilts and big chalets as well, a lot nicer than we were expecting. And the restaurant's nice, and it's just right by the river with this gorgeous view off the balcony.
Surrounded by jungle and trees.
Yeah, and now we're going for a walk up the hill to a viewpoint where apparently we're going to get attacked by leeches. Inside a massive tree in the jungle. There's like 5 of us in here with some bats and our ranger. This is really cool. So that was a pretty cool jungle walk in the big tree and everything with all the bats inside it. We did see a couple of monkeys, but they were too quick to get on camera, unfortunately. Little scamps. Anyway, now we're going on our first river cruise, which is really exciting because this is the time of the day when the animals come out of the jungle down to the river to try and cool off. So we're hoping to see some crocodiles, pygmy elephants and some monkeys. So that was the end of the river safari. It was absolutely stunning. We got in the speedboats, we went down the river, saw a few monkeys on the way. Then the further in we got, the more monkeys we saw. We saw some hornbills, we saw a crocodile, a saltwater crocodile, probably about 3 meters long, the guide reckons, but I didn't get it with the camera because I was watching monkeys and then I was too slow, but hopefully on one tomorrow maybe we'll get it. But we did see something very special which got our guide extremely excited, and that was a helmeted hornbill. Apparently they're nearly extinct, and it's the first one he's ever seen, so he was really excited. He double checked his guidebook as well, and I managed to get some slow motion footage of that flying over, which again is just nice to be part of a special moment. The Kinabantang River is beautiful, and even if you didn't see any animals, just being on the boat in the jungle, it's absolutely gorgeous. So we're gonna go and get some food and just chat to some of our new friends and edit the photos. So we will say good night, and we will see you in the morning at 6 o'clock for another river cruise. Hoping for elephants in the morning. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button just above me here. If you subscribe, then we get more support and it'll help us carry on making these videos. Like the videos, share them with your friends, write any comments, constructive criticism is welcome as well. I put a lot of time into these and a lot of effort editing them, so it'd be really nice just to know that people are out there watching, and I'm looking for any advice to get better as well. Thank you very much.